Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. I'll show you on how you can create custom KiCad symbol and footprints. So first things first, you want to navigate through the footprint editor. Now, inside this page, you want to click on the first symbol, which is the new footprint button. Now, of course, from here, we have the ability to name our footprint to whatever we want to. Now, you could also edit out your name and the reference right here by simply double clicking on it. So for example, for reference, maybe let's do something like SP-503. Of course, this is fully customizable depending on your style. Now you can move it by just clicking and dragging it onto the footprint itself. Now, right after, let's go ahead and add our symbols. So in my case, I'm going to be adding some objects right here. So I'm just going to click on pads. Now, basically, you can customize this to whatever you want to, but in my case, I'm going to be doing it this way. Now, once again, you could edit this out by simply double clicking on the objects itself. So I'm fine with this one. Let's just go ahead and double click on it to simply edit out the padding itself. Now, for the pad type, of course, if you're doing something like the through hole pot, the SMD, the edge connector, you could just go ahead and simply select that. And then, of course, you want to click on OK. And then you also have the ability to edit out the shape or the size of this whole footprint by simply clicking on this drop down menu. And then maybe let's do something like this specific size right here. And then of course from there, it will then be prompted to that right diameter or size. Now, if you're done, you want to click on the save button, which is going to be this one. And then of course you could name this footprint to whatever you want to. I'll just go ahead and basically name it new. Let's click on OK. And then if we navigate through our audio module, we can then see our footprint, which is going to be this one. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.